Well, it seems like I underestimated the amount of trash, and I thought I could do it alone, but I think this is quite a lot after a little bit a stormy day. Quite a lot of fresh trash, to say it like this. I don't know if that is proper English. I'm not a native speaker, but kind of a joke, huh? So, fresh trash today. There in the back, a lot of old trash. And here, the fresh trash, which is probably all the way along this beach. This is kind of a nice funny trash. We could make some art out of it. Oh, nice head. Almost like mine. This head almost like mine. Look at my head. It's almost the same. Huh? Maybe you have to wash a little bit. The fresh trash head. Okay. Yeah. This is the state of the world at the moment. Free trash and free beaches. Maybe in the future we have to pay for to go to the beach, but the trash, I believe, will still be free. Nice wood. I want to take it home. Okay, yeah, really a lot of trash there in the back. Up there. Even here is kind of a hotel. I don't know why they don't. Centara, nice, expensive. I think 5-star. I don't understand why they not clean up. Nice shoe. You think it will fit me? No, too small. Oh, pity. Too small. Anyway, this trash, this might be oil here. Not sure. Could be. Could be something else also. And here, a little bit older trash. And the wonderful Centara Hotel. They don't mind to clean up the beach in front of their property. It's quite a lot, and it's probably here for a long time. I guess. Not sure. Can be wrong. Who knows? Okay, anyway, I'm on my quest for food. Let's see if I find some food here, but I don't think so. The ocean is still beautiful.